everybody, welcome back. So today I am gonna do a 30-minute speed clean, or actually I'm gonna set a timer on my Alexa and we're gonna see what I can get done in 30 minutes. I'll have to pause the Alexa here and there just to change camera angles and stuff like that. But in between all those, I am going to see what I can get done. The house is kind of messy. Just the living room and kitchen, I think, and the dining room I'm gonna try to get done today. Let's get into it. Let you know that I need you tonight. You should know that I miss you. Alexa was not on her game, so every time I went to pause the timer, she would start completely over. I don't know. She just does her own thing apparently, so it's probably user error. Yes, I know that, but anyway, I just looked at the clock and timed it, so it actually ended up being about 40 minutes. So, 30, 40. 30 minutes just isn't enough. On my knee, every single feeling comes back to me. Your lips pressed against mine after a night. We got drunk and ended up at your place. That kind of love is not easy to find, babe. I haven't felt that since you went away. Standing here, I need to let you know. What if I had never let you go? My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. Donuts. Singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep in your worn out sweater. minutes is not enough time to clean.
Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on those strings.
Thank you so much for staying till the end. This actually is just an essential oil that smells amazing. So I can link that down below if you guys want to try it out. Also, the diffuser is a really good one too. It was really cheap. But thank you so much for staying till the end, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful week and a beautiful day, and love to all. And I will see you soon.